continue talking about polymers. Do you remember when we did polymers a couple weeks ago? And that whole chain came out, right? And then we made the mermaid disappear with our super absorbent polymers. We're going to use a different kind of polymer today. It's super absorbent. The actual name for this kind of polymer that's used in diapers, you guys used to wear diapers, is sodium polyacrylate. So now we are going to learn about what's inside diapers. But first I'm going to do I'm getting upstaged here. Happy birthday, Daddy. I'm going to do a quick magic trick. Are you ready? I know you guys like magic and you guys like practical jokes, don't you? All right, sit all the way down for me. What is this? You just were playing with this a little while ago. What is this? Water. Water is it a liquid or a solid?
Solid.
It's a liquid because you can pour it, right? So, did you see the way I just poured this?
Yeah. Can we drink
Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this, I'm going to put this on top of the cup. What's inside here?
Liquid.
A liquid, a water liquid. I'm going to turn it upside down. We've done this before, haven't we? And the pressure usually holds it on there. Uh-oh, it's not holding it on there. Here, put your head up straight for me. I'm going to put this right on top of your head. All right. What is on top of your head? A cup of?
Liquid.
And you know what? I forgot the directions. They're written on here. I'm going to take this off. What does it say? Do not remove. Do you feel anything? You don't feel anything? Where's the water going? Look. Is that like a magic trick? Oh, she's going to figure it out. What's in there? Is it water? Is it water anymore? What is it? Watch. Whoops. Oh.
What is it?
What is that?
Oh my God.
That is super absorbent polymer, like we had the big things, but it's a powder. You can do it to each other because this is the powder that's inside diapers that helps absorb the liquid that babies put in diapers. So, yeah. So would you like to, listen, I know, I'll help you in a minute. You're going to get messy anyways. Would you guys like to dissect a diaper to see the polymer that's inside? Would you like to do that? Wipe that up for me.
No.
All right, we'll show you in a minute. Okay, so if you don't have sodium polyacrylate at home in a little jar, then you can get some out of the diaper. If you have a diaper, a little brother and sister that are still in diapers, you're going to open up the diaper like this. You're going to cut it. Whoops. However, yeah, you're going to cut it. This is just so that it will be easier to get that powder out that we just used. These are not the best scissors in the world. So once I cut this, I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag. And then the girls are each going to shake as hard as they can. And then we're going to hope that that powder comes out. The powder is stuck in here because when a baby pees in a diaper, you want something that absorbs that fluid, that liquid. Because you don't want their clothes to be all wet. So we're going to Ziploc this up. We'll test it in a little bit. Now it's your girl's turn. You hold your bag, Violet. Autumn, you hold yours. And you're going to shake, shake, shake until we see that powder at the bottom. Shake it really hard. Hold it tight at the top. Watch. Hold it tight at the top. Like this. Oh, I see a little bit. Do you see a little tiny bit of powder? Look.
Yeah.
Little bit. You got to shake a lot harder though. Hold it at the top so it doesn't go flying out. Shake, shake, shake. So we've shaken up the diapers that we cut. We kind of had, open them a little bit. There's not a ton. Look at. So this is the powder that came out of one diaper. There's also a little bit of batting or stuffing or whatever that is. That isn't, well, it's got polymer stuck to it. But do you see about how much there is? There's about that much. Watch. Now we're going to do the same thing that I did over Autumn's head. We'll do it on Violet's head. But we're going to do it with a clear cup so you can see what's happening. All right? So that's in there. There's a little bit of cotton in there. Let's get the one out of Violet's too. I don't know. Hers doesn't have quite as much, or we just didn't get as much out. You can also, rip up the layers of the diaper to get it out.
Dad.
Oh, Dad. He wasn't as good a shaker, was he? All right, so, whoops, still lots. Okay, ready? So pretend like you can't see in here, like the white cup that I used for your head, right? So you guys got that right out of the diaper. All right, we're not going to tell them what it says. So, Violet, what is in this cup?
Water.
Water. Is it a liquid or a solid?
Liquid.
Liquid. You remembered. Good. I'm going to pour it in the cup. Now, when you have a cup you can't see through, you don't know that I have a special super absorbent powder in there, a polymer. So watch what happens.
I don't see it. I see it.
So, let's hope it absorbs. Violet might get some water on her head.
I can.
Then I put this over. Remember I put this like this? And I turned it upside down and I put it on top of your head. Uh-oh, what did the directions say? Do not remove. I removed it. Uh-oh. It's got a little bit of
Oh boy.
color on there. Whoopsies. That was kind of a practical joke. Well, let's hope this didn't absorb quite as much as the stuff I had. I guess we'll be vacuuming now, huh? All right, girls, say goodbye. Bye.